Hello world, Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm going to show you best tour app. You will find amazing place in UAE with this mobile app. So this app's name is Salam Dubai. This app is very good and you will find your dream places, dream tour places. So let's go to Play Store. How we'll install and then we'll see how it will work. So this apps is only in Dubai. You can install and then you can see. So dear friends, just go to Apps Store. Then just simply write SALAMDUBAI. Then it will come first one, and then there is no apps, only these apps. And just you will click get to install. So the apps you will open, click to open, just click to allow. Just here, if you want to log in, you need to put your email address, or if you can sign up, or if you don't want to add your email address, just skip here. See here, you can see there is so many places, there is nice places for tour. Okay, here for visit, see here like more than 156 places. If example I just click here, then here you can see so many, my goodness, nice place. This is really you will enjoy here. See, so we just go back and then we can see here, and then you can see the map or route for Dubai Metro. See here, Hub Metro, Dubai Tram, taxi, bus, water taxi. So here really this apps is very useful, and then you can see this from from Dubai government. They make these apps, and these apps is very good. It's allowed to use in Dubai anywhere. Okay, so here what we can see, as if you want to use these apps, just sign up. So you can put your email address and then it will be username and password. So here you can see this is for terms and conditions, so we don't need that here. So it's this apps is very good. I hope you will install these apps. This app's name is Salam Dubai, from immigration they make. Okay, really helpful these apps.